Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off or block SMS messages directly on your iPhone. Now if you don't want to receive SMS messages on your iPhone, you can easily turn this off, and now when anyone sends an SMS message you will not receive them on your iPhone. So to do that, let's first head over to our iPhone settings here on our home screen. Now within the iPhone settings, we want to scroll down until we get to this messages here, and then we want to tab into that. Then on the messages page, you want to scroll down until we get around to the middle of the page, and you'll see this section here, send as SMS. This is the green text messages bubbles, what you'll see on your messages app, rather than the blue, which is the iMessage. And as you can see underneath here, it states send as an SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Network provider messaging rates may apply. Now if you don't want this to be on, you can simply tap this green tab here until it's greyed out, and this will turn off the SMS messages. So I hope that helps you out, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.